okay, if this looks odd, I had to turn it off and see about Levi. But anyway, the other one is the Red Energy Recovering Serum. Of course, this is just a little sample. And then I got the, I'm not sure how you say that, what, I can't say it, Petal Spa Oil to Foam. I will probably put that in the giveaway too, because I know I have that. And then I got this Architect Slim Eyeliner. Says it's waterproof. And that's what that looks like. Very thin line. Yeah, it's very thin. And then I got two brushes. I got the Lexi and I can't tell what that says, but here's those. I like Lexi, okay, and I've had one of these and they're pretty good too. And then I've got the Olay Eyes Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. That's a pretty good size for an eye treatment. So yeah, it feels pretty full too. So we got that. And I got this, is it called Douche? I'm not sure how you pronounce that. It's a lip pencil. Let's see, I actually like lip pencils, like this kind of, the thicker ones that can be made like an eyeliner or the lip pencil. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, I like that. And then I got this. I know this is going in the giveaway because I know for a fact I have this. It is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the color Alluring. Look how pretty. I love the packaging. So I know this is going in the giveaway, and that is it. And again, all of this was free. And I'm going to leave this out because I know that's going in the giveaway. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 free products for doing the year of Allure. So there was that. I am happy with that. So I am fixing to do the Allure boxes now. So this month's boxes. So I thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button and stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.